Oh. It should be baby hiccups.
What's that?
Go back and look at baby puke.
What? Oh, baby puke.
Use the camera. Yeah. Good footage across eyes.
We're not saying her name. Mia.
Yeah.
Like she's gonna have to. And then she'll look at you and say what's your name.
Oh, you poor thing. Still hiccuping. Too bad there's no cure for the hiccups.
Scare.
Yeah.
I was gonna say boom.
Yeah, that's a scary picture there.
Say hello to the camera, man. Look at you holding your head up.
Taking a lot of pictures.
You look stunned. You like to sit up. Huh? You like to sit up. You don't have to like go that close.
Oh, I'm gonna puke. I think she got puke. Maybe it's puke.